and then we'll tack that in there and grind it down, see if we can't make it look halfway decent. Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna take the hinges off the door and take the door off for now. Fender's not mounted up here. I just put it up there just to get it out of the way, but it looks look pretty good if I do say so myself. I'm just getting in a self-etching primer and finishing the rest out and making driving it for a while before I do the finish paint on it, but I don't know. Oh, there's a raccoon right here. Ah! See if I show you him. He's right out there by the Camaro. He's the little guy that got in my garage. There he goes. You can see him right there. He's about to come in with me. Hopefully that'll keep him away for a little bit. Anyways, let's go back in the garage. Sorry about that, but just caught him out of the corner of my eye, about to run in the garage with me. Hopefully he'll stay away while we shoot the video. I'm planning on leaving the door open. May close it though if he comes back. I think what's gonna happen is probably gonna pick a little bit of this up. We're gonna flip the Bronco so we can get access to the bed. There's a couple of spots in there I kind of want to sand down and put some the stripping gel on the rest of it. Kind of start getting the paint peeled up on that so we can kind of do like we did on the fender with it. But there's two spots that need to be fixed. I hear you. You're gonna jump up on me in a minute. Anyways, two areas that need to fix, and I think I could fix it with the little bit of scrap metal we still have. At least I'm gonna try to make it look halfway decent, hopefully. But I think that my seat's gonna cover it. But we'll take a look at that. But yeah, so my main objective is uncovering those, maybe cutting them out, and making some patch pieces for next time, and hopefully getting those in there. But anyways, let's head over there and check it out. Sorry about that, got a little carried away, but got it turned where I kind of want it, and I'll show you the spots we're gonna try to grind down a little bit. We'll put that stripping gel, I think on the back by the tubs first and get that kind of area all cleaned out. I'll do that like next time. Grind where all the rust is, make sure there's no rust holes here and over there. Go there and I'll show you the parts I'm gonna be working on that. All right, there's a hole here. You're gonna see how far back it goes in all directions. And it's a big mess right here. I don't know if you can tell, but this probably all is rusted out and pretty bad. With the bed, I'm not looking for perfection. See, I got dent here. I don't want, holes in it. And I plan on lizard skin or rhino line or something other. And even, I like to take this dent out, but it is what it is. Guess I could get under here and might get in there and hammer it out, actually. Might do that here in a minute, see how good we can get it. Anyways, kind of what we're gonna be working on tonight. May try to hammer this out best we can. Go load in over there. Mainly I want to look at this area and that area and put some of that stripping gel in here. think I'm done tonight. Next time we'll scrape this off, see if there's any holes we need to fix, prep it, and probably spray some of that. Some of this rust converter in there. Do the same for that. And then we'll tack that in there and grind it down, see if we can't make it look halfway decent. That over there, don't really know yet, but we'll work on that, and then we're kind of do this back part first and slowly work my way up until we get this whole thing in this rust reformer. If we do that, we may come back and do it with the self-etching primer, which I'm not sure if that would work with this as a base coat. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna stop at tonight. I'm exhausted. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but we got these dents pretty well out right there. This one still has a little bit of a crease in it, but I think they'll work pretty good. I mean, we'll have to do a little bit of body work, but need to get one more. Kind of see it up there, but came up pretty easy, which is kind of surprising. That makes me want to hammer on this right here, try to get up in there and knock that up, and another spot down there, I think. But anyways, that's for another time. Yeah, next time we'll be back in here getting all this. Probably put some more of that, clean all this off and put some more of that stripping gel on it, wherever I put it, and work our way that way. If you can't tell, I'm pretty nasty. I need to go in. The thermometer says it's 39 degrees out here, but no, it's not that. It's probably more like 75, 80. No breeze. But next time we working back here, we'll patch that one hole up, kind of see what this does. Stripping gel, see what that'll do. May sand that down and get that rust preventative on it. And we may sand up a little bit on the tub, kind of get the corners on both sides, make sure they're good. And we'll work our way from this back and go forward. Still waiting on see if the guy can help me with that. Hopefully we'll know soon. But if not, we'll continue in this back area, because I need to fix it anyways. We'll get this all painted and looking good, hopefully. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday on the Bronco. Get it back on the road, hopefully soon. But anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, and subscribe. It does really help the channel out. Get some more eyes on it, and more people see it, more people that can help me stumble my way through this. Like I always say, I'm gonna take you on everything I do. I mean, tonight I was just hammering out some dents, cutting the patch piece, putting some stripper down, and doing a little bit of sanding on the back here. But hopefully next time we can move a little bit forward and get some more done. But anyways, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.